Hey, welcome back to Woody's Woodworking. Doing another video today. Gonna be sharpening my chisel. Might not be able to see it, but it's got a few nicks in the end of it, and it's not as sharp as I'd like it to be. So what I'm gonna do is use this sharpening guide. I think it's a Stanley guide. Don't really remember, I got it a little while ago. So what I'm going to do is I've got a piece of tile underneath this sandpaper. I'm going to start out with 600 grit sandpaper, see how far that goes, and from there I'll go to a piece of 1000 grit. So yeah, let's just get right into it. I'm just going to drag backwards so that I don't cut my sandpaper. I'll do this for 5 minutes or so, and then we'll be back. You can see there the grinding marks are starting to come out. The original sharpening grinding marks, I guess. So yeah, let's keep going. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is switch over to the 1000 grit, run it on there for a little bit, and then I'm going to pull it out of the jig and do the back. Just I'm going to keep it in the jig so I keep my angle right while I switch to the 1000 grit. Okay, and here we go for the 1000 grit. You can see it's starting to get like a mirror finish on it. The next one would be 2000 if I had any, but I think this might be perfect. Just need to do a little bit more on the 1000 and then pull it out and do the back side. Okay, so done with the bevel edge, so pull it out and I guess just do the back. I'm going to switch back to the 600 again. Okay, here we go. Just keeping it flat and hoping it's going to turn out for the best. Okay, well that's all done. There's a piece of wood that I'm just going to try and chisel a little bit away. This thing was never able to curl anything. It was never able to do anything before. Like, it wouldn't even cut into the wood. But now it seems like it will. And this is without a hammer, just pushing by hand. Definitely sharper than it used to be. Way sharper. Way better. So it's peeling it off pretty smooth. I don't have a vise, otherwise I'd try and show some end grain stuff, but it does slightly take it off. It's probably not as sharp as it can be, but that's my first time ever sharpening a chisel, so I think it's pretty good for a first try. It's pretty dang sharp. Alright, well, that's the end of this one. Thanks for watching.